Now, where's Donna, ma? I can't see her.
I don't know.
Donna, where are you? We have a surprise for you. Baby! Where's Donna? We have a surprise for you. I'm sure you will like it. Donna, where are you? Ate! Oh! Congratulations to Donna the Explorer for passing 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Wow, 1 million subscribers. Today she has a total of 2.6 million subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
Yes, so do we have Donna the Explorer in the house? Is she somewhere here? So if you're here, Donna, please come up with your parents. We'd like to give you your well-deserved gold button. Just so everybody knows, Donna the Explorer is one of the most popular kids channels here in the last 3 months. She's grown by over 2 million subscribers in the last 3 months. So everybody put your hands together for Donna. And Donna, I hope you enjoy this absolutely massive gold button that's bigger than you. Unboxing. She's good at unboxing.
Good. Donna's channel is about unboxing, so this is quite apt.
Congrats. Thank you.